If you're just joining us in this node.js series, I highly recommend that you click on the link below. That way you are all caught up on all the videos that we already covered. In this video, we're going to be installing robomongo, which is equivalent to your PHP my admin. So what you do is you can just Google the word robomongo and then click on the download button section here, and this will take you to here, and from there you're going to click on this download button and it will install it. For sake of time, I already downloaded it for us here, so I'm just going to go to the installation process. So I'm going to open this up, minimize this, and for the most part this is very straightforward. I'm going to click next, agree, next, and then we're all set. And it's all done. And it's going to come up here, say agree, and then just hit next. And you could just skip the registration process if you don't want to. So I'm going to just say finish. And then here it's going to ask you, hey, which database do you want to connect to? At the time being, from the last video, there were only two, which is called test. I'm going to click on to connect it. And let me shrink this up. So here it is. So within this system, I'm going to close this out. Actually, here's what I'll do. I'll just disconnect this connection. So if I open it again, so I'm starting from scratch. So I'll open this up. And then if I wanted to, I can remove this connection and create a new one. And here I can name this connection to be whatever I want. So I'll just call it node.js test. And then click save. And then there's the name rather than being test. So there you have it. So I'm going to click connect. It's going to connect it. And right now there are two databases. One is called admin, as you saw from the previous video. And another one is called local. So there you have it. So if I open this up, and these are different things in here. So collections are your tables in MySQL. And so if I open it up, there is one called this. And one of the neat things about this particular robomongo is that it gives you different views. You can look at it. You can look at it as the individual one, like this right here. Or you can look at it like a table column view, like you are used to when you look at it, my PHP admin. Or you can look at a document view, which is like your JSON array object. So if I go here, let's go to local, which has a start log. So here it is. So here's log 1, what time I created it, so on and so forth. So in a nutshell, that's your robomongo that will allow you to connect to MongoDB behind scenes, and you can visually see what is happening. So I will conclude this video and I'll pick it up in the next video where we will start to dive in about creating something awesome. And I will see you guys in the next video.